Hello guys, and welcome back to another of my videos. I feel like it's been a while because I've been so busy and I'm just an adult with the responsibilities, but I'm finally back with another video, and this time it's a Harry Potter Geek Year unboxing video. For this subscription I chose that I wanted to get any house because I thought it would be cool to get stuff from other houses besides my own house, which is Ravenclaw. So I put any, but basically these past 3 months I've only been getting Gryffindor, and I'm hoping this time I get another house. And first of all, I just want to give myself some acknowledgement for my patience because I've been having this bad boy laying in my room for the past 3 to 4 days because, again, like I said, I don't have any time really. But you know what, let's get to this fucking unboxing video. So it's out of the bag, and yes, it's Hufflepuff this month, and I'm actually glad. I actually like Hufflepuff because when I take the Pottermore quizzes, I always get Ravenclaw or Hufflepuff. So it's pretty cool that I got Hufflepuff this time. So let's just fucking shut up and let's get to it. Yay! I've been really holding back on watching other unboxing videos, so this could be a total surprise, so let's just hope it's something cool this month. So here we have the wrapping of the box. I'm just gonna let you guys get a sneak peek. Yay! Okay, so I'm just gonna pull things out. First thing. So first thing, it obviously looks like some socks. So the first item in this box is some socks, and it looks like it has different Harry Potter related stuff like cages, the little lightning bolt, the glasses, and it looks like it's some long socks. I love some long, ooh yes girl. They're long socks, so I'm pretty excited about that, even though I already have so many like socks and Harry Potter socks. So let's just add to my million collection of socks. Oh my god, I just fucking kind of peeked, so I kind of fucking know some stuff that's already there, and I just fucking ruined this video for myself. I'm just kidding, but I didn't really see, but I kind of did see. So next item. Next, ooh. So as you can tell by my face, I'm pretty freaking disappointed about this next item, so just be warned that I'm probably about to rant. I don't know how I feel about this shirt. Like, I don't really like this shirt. Let me just show you. It says magic and spells. This is the shirt, and it just says wizard, witches, wands, potions, and magic and spell. This item gets a thumbs down. I don't like this item, but am I still gonna wear it? Oh fucking yeah, because what the fuck, I'm probably gonna wear it as a PJ shirt, but I guess. Next item. Ooh, next item, it's, okay. Yes, I got another shirt, and it is of the three brothers from the Deathly Hallows. I actually like this shirt, so I guess this kind of redeems for the crappy shirt. Well, personally, I didn't like the other shirt, but whatever. But this, I actually like this shirt. It has the three brothers, you know, the stone, the resurrection stone, the invisibility cloak, and the elder wand. Kind of had a brain fart, but I actually like this shirt. So this item gets a thumbs up. Next, okay, so we have a pin, and I really like this pin. This is a really cute pin, and it just has the books. Okay, so I really like this pin. It has the potions book, the defense against the dark arts, charms, and just different like books from Hogwarts, and then it has a little Hufflepuff scarf because I did get Hufflepuff this month. So I like this pin. I'm gonna add it to my little backpack with pins that I have. So this gets a thumbs up. Okay, next item. So the next item, oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, this is nice. So I have this bracelet, and it says Hufflepuff. I like this. I really like this. I like bracelets, and it has like the Hufflepuff colors, and then it has the badger of the Hufflepuff mascot, and then it just says Hufflepuff. It reminds me of middle school, like 7th and 8th grade, when these little bracelets were popping and everyone was like in their raving stages. and it has like best friends and whatever bracelets, but this one says Hufflepuff, and I like this one. I like this bracelet. Okay, the next items, oh, we'll save this to the end, towards the end, which tells what we got. So we have some recipes like we get in every month, and this month we got Petunia's pudding cake recipe, and then we have a sherbet lemons recipe. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to do these recipes one day whenever I have time. So I'm gonna add this to my little collection of recipes I have. The next item, and I actually think it's the last item. Okay, on to the last item of this box, and it is, oh yay, I like this print. So we have a Honeydukes print. Every month we get a print, and I really like this print. It says chocolate frogs, and then it has 70% fineness. Yeah. So we have a Honeydukes chocolate frog print, and I really like this print. I'm gonna add it to my little binder I have, where I have all the prints I've been collecting. I really like this print. So that is it for this box. Now time to look at this pamphlet thing. So yeah, we got the pin, depending on what house you have that. We have the socks, we have the recipes, we have the Ravenclaw bracelet, depending on your house. You actually have the option of getting either bracelets, the beaded bracelets, or 4-pair bracelets. Only a lucky few would get the ones that have the collection of 4, but unfortunately I wasn't one of those lucky few. And oh, and for this month you get different type of print, so not everyone gets the same print. I actually like the print I got. I really like the Honeydukes print I got. Okay, so because I'm a total dumbass and I obviously don't finish reading these pamphlets, I now just realized that we didn't only get one of these posters, we actually got all 4 of the posters. So we got the Honeydukes poster, we got the Weasley skydiving snack box poster, we got the Quidditch World Cup poster, and then we got the advanced potion making poster. So we actually got 4 of these, so instead of getting 10 points to Hufflepuff, we're gonna get 40 points to Hufflepuff, 10 for each posters. And yeah, because I just obviously don't read and I freaking mess up everything, but you know, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. And then you get these 2 shirts. This shirt I really did not like, but so that is it for this month's box. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't a big fan of this box. The last 2 boxes I got, I didn't film them, but they were a lot better than this month. I mean, it was still good, but just not my favorite box. But I actually did like a lot of some of this stuff. I definitely wasn't a fan of that one shirt, as you could tell. My favorite item from this box has to be the print. The little Honeydukes print. That's probably like my favorite item of this box. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this unboxing video. If you guys did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Or if you're new on this side of the internet and you haven't already, then you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel, because it would mean a lot to me if you guys did. So yeah, like always, thank you so much for watching my video, and till next time.